Is Nicole Wilson, and today we will discuss Chapter 6, Spellbound, How to Be Letter Perfect of the book Woe Is I by Patricia T. O'Connor. Patricia O'Connor was a former editor at New York Times Book Review. She has written for many magazines and even newspapers. She is the author of 2 other books on language and writing, Words Fail Me, What Everyone Who Writes Should Know About Writing, and You Send Me, Getting It Right When You Write Online. Here's the philosophy of Woe Is I. English is a glorious invention, one that gives us endless possibilities for expressing ourselves. So let's discuss Chapter 6, Spellbound, How to Be Letter Perfect. Spell check is a tool that we tend to rely on when writing correspondence, letters, emails, and even text. How many times have you just sent a quick text and realized, dang, it was wrong, and the spell check didn't even catch it? So I'm sure we sent that email and he was like, I realized that it's too late. So what do we do next? What do we do next, and what have we learned from that mistake? We've learned that spell check does not always do its job. Spell check can be your best friend or your worst enemy. We shouldn't expect the computer to think for us, and word processors have dictionaries, but not the common sense. So let's explore a few examples that the spell check feature has failed us. For example 1, he did not accept your leave application. Is it accept or accept? Accept to receive and accept excluding. The correct answer should be accept. And if you type this in quickly and you realize, oh my goodness, it won't correct it. That's because the computer's brain lacks the common sense and the common knowledge to correct this mistake. Our second example, smoking will affect your health. Is it affect or effect? Affect to influence and affect as the result. The correct answer is affect. It will affect your health. Then we have example number 3. You're so beautiful. I know I've texted, I've put it on Facebook, and it's wrong. It's your apostrophe. I always miss the apostrophe R-E. Your possessive pronoun, and you are, it should be you are. You are so beautiful. Now we will examine some commonly misspelled words. Acknowledgement, that's wrong. Why is it wrong? Can you see in the, we missed the E, the final E. A lot of times you add that E, and that's incorrect. You lose the final E when you add ment. The correct way is acknowledgement. Arctic. I know, I always miss that C. It's Arctic. And altar. Going to the chapel, to the altar, it's no E, it's A-R. Cancel. It's not 2 L's. You lose the second L. Right here. You lose cancel the second L unless there's a cancellation. When there's cancellation, you keep the second L. Accommodate. 2 M's. And then you have acquaintance. Don't forget the C in the beginning. All right. How many times have you put all right? It's going to be all right, and we add it together. All right is 2 words. All right. Benefited. Not benefited. And Caesar, you want that Caesar salad? Don't forget, do not mix up the A and the E's. A before the E. Embarrass. Don't be embarrassed that you can't spell embarrassed. So remember, what you send out is like your permanent tattoo. that letter, that email, that correspondence. You don't want to make that mistake. If you look at some of the common mistakes, and once you have that tattoo on your body, there's nothing you can do. So proofread your work. Check it, recheck it. Have your friends check it. Have your coworkers check it. But check your work, check your spelling, check your grammar. I know sometimes grammar can be very hard. This is one of the most difficult classes I've had since being in school, but you can do it. Don't give up. So yes. The computer spell check is a great tool. And yes, we are in a tech-savvy world where everything is texting and very fast and emailing and you're sending it out. But use your brain and remember, their electronic device do not have common sense. You have to use your brain and the common sense, and you will do fine. It's okay. But proofread your work. Thank you for your time and your attention, and have a great day.